In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive contacts and restore them to your contact list. If you've ever tucked a contact away to keep your list clean and now need it back, this walkthrough will make the process quick and stress-free. We'll go from locating your archived contacts, to selecting the right records, to restoring them so they reappear in your active contact table. To start, head to your main contacts view. Look to the top right corner of the contact table for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose Archived Contacts. This takes you to a dedicated view that contains only the records you've previously archived, which helps you work without clutter. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're in the Contacts section, not a different module, and that your window is wide enough for all menu items to display. Once you're in the archived contacts list, find the people or records you want to bring back. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if your app provides one to quickly narrow down results. When you've located the right entries, use the checkbox next to each contact to select them. You can choose a single contact or select multiple at once if you're doing a batch restore. Take a quick moment to double-check your selections. Restoring the correct records now saves time later. With your contacts selected, open the three-dot menu that appears in the Archived Contacts view. From here, choose Unarchive or Restore, depending on the wording you see in your interface. A confirmation prompt will appear. Go ahead and confirm the action. This safeguard helps prevent accidental changes. After confirming, the selected contacts will move out of the archived list and back into your main contact table. You should see a success message or notice the list update. If the archived list looks shorter or even empty afterward, that's a good sign you've restored everything you selected. When you return to your active contacts, you'll find the restored records right alongside your other entries, ready for use in searches, filters, and workflows. If you're working with a team, remember that unarchiving is typically visible to everyone with access, so align with your teammates when restoring shared records. And as a general tip, archiving is a great way to keep your database tidy without permanently deleting information. That's it. Locate archived contacts, select what you need, and confirm unarchive or restore. Thanks for watching, and